Hey everyone, just wanted to quickly welcome you back to second semester of Georgia Studies. This is a continuation of the course that you were taking the first semester. We're going to finish up this semester with history and move into um, government before you are to take the milestones this year. Um, what I want you to do is at this point you should be logged into your um, Georgia Studies course. So I'm just going to log into one of my virtual courses and I'm going to quickly put this into student view. Once I do that, and you can see it's taking a little while. Okay, so I'm in student view now and you can see the home page here. It has an announcement up here. You need to make sure that you read the announcement. You see it says welcome to Georgia Studies. It has my email address. It has our live sessions. Once I have our date and time of live sessions, when that will be, I will put that on here, but they haven't given that to us yet. And it has a little bit of information um, that you can read through. You know that you need to go to modules for your assignment for the week. Once you click on modules, you'll see the coursework um, come up that says week of January 5th through January 8th. And it says you need to complete all items. And you can see there's several things you need to go through. This looks like a lot, but it really will not take you long at all. It says introduction to Canvas, start here. So you're going to click on start here. You're going to read through it. And for all of my modules, for those who have not had me before, all of my modules has a start page that you start on. It has a list of the assignments that are due this week. You can see these are linked right now. The dashboard view assignment, the email etiquette quiz. You have to complete this module in order for the next assignment to open up. So it's going, excuse me, it's going to look like your assignments are locked. And if I click on one of these, like the email etiquette quiz, because I think I'm just going to jump ahead, you can see it says access denied. I have to go through the lesson in order. So I read through here, tells me welcome, what I need to do. Down here in large pink letters, it says mark as done to move on to the next page. So I'm going to have to come up here, click mark as done, and click next. I can see it says it will go to the next page. If I do not mark it as done and I try to click next, it should not, you can see it will not allow me to go to the next page. It says I didn't complete something. So I have to go through here. I have to read the directions. I have to follow the instructions. Like for instance, this says your Canvas page should always be in card view. If it is not, change it following the directions below. And this gives you the directions on how to do that. And it says mark as done. So I go back here and I mark as done and I click next. And it's going to open up the very next thing. You can see it's taken me 30 seconds to go through the first two things. Here is your assignment. Your assignment says your dashboard view should always stay in card view. If you have not done so, do this now. Once you have done that, take a screenshot that it's in the card view and submit it below. You're going to continue working through the module like this. I just wanted to take a second to show those students who are new to me, because I do have several new students coming to me this semester, how my modules work. I'm not sure how your other social studies teachers set theirs up. I just wanted to make sure you knew how it worked for my class. If you have any questions, make sure you email me. Also, make sure you check back on that homepage to see when digital learning times are or our live conferences. I'm going to leave student view now.